So we're now in the products area. This is where we can actually start creating our products or modify what we currently created. This example, in this template of a website, we have 3 products that we can start customizing, or you can add your own. So by clicking on product, you can select what kind of a product you want to create. A physical one, which is obviously requires a shipping, a digital product, a service, or a membership type of a product that you want to sell to customers. So you can also have the option to import products into your system, which is the ability to do it in bulk. So you can select the CSV file, and those products you can import directly, so you don't have to manually add them one by one. And here you also have the option for creating categories. So this is an easy way to create categories and subcategories for organization of your store, depending on what kind of if it's a sales funnel, if it's a full-grown e-commerce store. So here we can add a new category, let's say category 2. The URL will be generated automatically, which you can change. And this way you can create as many categories as you want. But you can also create subcategories by clicking on the plus icon here, and you can add, let's say, subcategory. That will be added below it. And this way you can create a big tree of different categories and subcategories within your website and funnel, so you can create something really massive if you need for that. Then we have again the products. So let's look into the products themselves and how you can customize them. So we're now inside one such product. On the top you have your navigation where you can go back to the products, or here we have the ability to copy the link to the product, so you can directly copy it and send it to somebody so that they can purchase it. Very easy for your allowing you to do that, to preview the product itself. So you can click on preview and you can see the product inside your store. So this is how it will actually look. This is the design that comes with this template that we have selected for our online store. So we can close it. So this is the product. If you change the images, for example, let's say change it with this one, you will see the preview. If you click on save changes, you will see that now the first item is this cream instead. So yeah, this is how the preview works. You can delete and of course clone the product by creating an exact copy of it. The first thing is that you need to add the product title and description. So here we have the simple editor by default selected, but if you want to add more things inside your description, let's say you want to add a toggle, you want to add a video, you want to add whatever type of element you want to add to your description, you can just click on drag and drop editor and you can add that element inside your description to create something more advanced. Like in this example, let's add an accordion within our description. For whatever reason we want to add more information, we can click on save changes, and now when we preview the product, you see that we have added the toggles here that you can see how they work. You can of course customize them within the builder itself, but yeah, this is how it looks. Now on the side you will see the images. You can arrange the position, you can upload your images, select your categories from here, hide the product if you don't want it to be visible to the users, so you can just select this option and again save the changes if you want to do that. And to change the URL, again, if you want to add something different to the URL, this is a unique one for this product. And below it you have the SEO settings. So the SEO settings is the things that will show when somebody searches your product, for example, if they share the product on social media, let's say, or send it somewhere as a message. There is a title and a description plus an image. The image will be taken from the image here, the first one, but the SEO title will first of course take the product title by default, which you can change if you want to something more catchy and more keyword friendly, or also you can add an SEO description, which can be again using the regular description, or you can include a different type of more SEO friendly description about the product so that it can be found easier or rank for other keywords that you want to rank for. So SEO title and description, you can edit from here if you please. And then below we have the pricing. The pricing is of course how much this product would cost, which you can add on sale. So you can have a sale price for this product that will this one will be crossed, and this will be actually showing, let's say, $29 is our seller price. If you click on Save Changes and Preview, you'll see that it is striked off the 39, the discount type, the amount of the discount that is being added, and the actual price being added here. Then we have the option for a subscription product. Now, if this product is a subscription, you can click on it and you can enable a subscription so that you can charge for this product a recurring fee. Now, we have the ability to have installments, like 3 payments for this product if people don't want to pay at once, for example. Or you can have it ongoing, so an ongoing, on perpetuity subscription unless they cancel the subscription, of course. And you can select for what amount of time would be the period for the charges. Once a month, once a week, once every for a few months or weeks. So if you do a year, obviously, would be 12 months as a period from charge to charge. So this way you can enable a subscription, and customers, again, they can manage their subscription within their profile inside your website or funnel. So it's very convenient, very easy to create and collect subscriptions from your customers, or just recurring fees of some sort. In this case, we have a physical product, and that's why we have a wait for it. But if you, let's say, make it as a service, that will not be visible, because this is not a product that you can actually wait for it. If it's a digital product, for example, you'll be asked to select a file, because a digital product is associated with some kind of a file that the customer would get in order to, when they pay to get that product. So that will be a downloadable one. And if it's a membership, the idea here is that they would get access to some kind of a content. In this case, we have a membership group, so you can select from your membership what kind of a group exactly you want to assign people to. So we have a whole series about memberships, but yes, you can create your membership groups and you can sell access to them from here, basically by creating a membership type of a product. But for this example, let's keep it as a physical product. That is, then you have here a few other options, such as the track inventory option, which is the ability, you can of course toggle, disable and enable if you want to track inventory. So this is if you want to reduce the quantity, the available stock that people can purchase. So let's say you have only 10 of this product, you can type it here, and when somebody purchases, that will reduce the amount of the product that you have. So when you reach the 0, then it will show that it is sold out. So this is what the track inventory stands for. Then we have the variations. So this is the ability to add different variations, such as, let's say, a size of your product. So you can click here as a size, and then we can add your size variations. Let's say S and M and L and XL, if it's this type of, let's say, a shirt of some sort. Or you can add a color, add this type of a variation, and then add blue, red, pink as colors. So this way you can add your variations. And if you want to add different pricing and different quantity and different way, different SKU, for example, stock keeping unit, you can click on advanced and you'll see that you have these 4 variations. But if you want to also combine them with the color, you can have actually 12, because you have 4 by 3 different types of variations. So you can actually set up different prices, different stock keeping units, availability in stock, weight. So this way it's really simple and easy to do your variations for your products. You can also assign different images for the different well, in this case for size doesn't make sense, but let's say for the colors you can upload specific images for the specific product variations that you have, like in this case for the colors of your shirt that you're selling. But yes, these are the variations. It's very simple and easy to create different ones. Then we have the thank you page. This is the ability to link when somebody purchased this product to send them to a custom thank you page instead of the regular thank you page that people are being sent to. So here you can just select a page that you have created on your website, or actually it can be an external one. That is entirely up to you. Where do you want to send those people? But yeah, it's a cool feature if you want to send them somewhere else. You can ask different questions here. So if you want to ask, let's say you're selling some kind of a product that involves, let's say, engraving on it, and you want to ask the person that is buying what kind of wording you want to have on your product. Here you can add a field asking that question, what is that engraving, for example. So these are the additional questions. And lastly, we have the tag of customers. So this is a really cool way to tag people based on their purchased product. So let's say that they purchased this product and you want to create a tag for that product. That way you can do a lot of things. First of all, you can filter people by what products they purchased by using the tag. So you can filter by the tag. You can also create different campaigns based in the email marketing based on the tags. Or you can actually trigger an automation flow when somebody purchases a product with a specific tag. So this is so cool. So you can create your tags here. Let's say products, let's say 3 is our tag, and when somebody purchases this product in an order, they will be tagged with this one. So this is so cool for tracking and knowing who purchased what, and based on that behavior you can send campaigns, filter, and do whatever you want. It's really cool. So you can click on save changes, and you can see that because we have variation, the pricing, you have to click here to customize because you have multiple products that you can adjust the pricing for. So yeah, this is pretty much what the product does. Here we have this option, so we can actually preview the product and what exactly we have created. Here we have the variations being added because we just edited that option into it. So yeah, you can see here the toggles that we added as well in the drop down. So this is how simple it is to create your products, and you have this creativity of design, of different settings, different taggings, and other cool things that you can track and do about your products. And yeah, that's it. You can create as many as you want, organize them in categories, and start selling right away. In this next video, we'll be actually talking about the subscriptions. So if you're doing any recurring payments, we'll be looking into that tab next.